We are going to Indiana. Do you need a hand?
I got it. Thank you. I did not ask. Granted.
Here is my headset. I brought snacks and Bangali is doing a pre-flight check. Isn't she gorgeous? Did someone purchase this?
Yeah. You're going to taxi it over 4 hours. It's getting late in the day.
Is this closed?
All right. Welcome.
Thank
It's at the fuel farm.
From maintenance. I want this place so bad. One more plane we need to put back into the hangar. Cirrus SR-20 is my dream plane. And then back here is Tate's Mooney, the blue one, dark.
Hey guys, this is Tate Priest with Airmarked. Today we are standing in front of Mooney 252 Quebec. This one is a 1988 Mooney 252. This might possibly be the lowest total time airplane in existence, or 252 example that is, with only 800 hours total time. The engine had a precautionary IRAN done in 2014, and this airplane is absolutely immaculate. The paint on it is definitely a solid 9.5 out of 10. No damage history. If you're looking for a Mooney 252, this is definitely one you want to check out. Thanks for watching. Give us a call if you have some interest.
With silver, this is another really nice plane. Piper Saratoga. That series is just mwah. Don't damage the airplanes, please. Airplane Tetris. Goodbye. It's the end of the day. Hopefully we can go home in a few minutes. Well, I know I can. Everyone else has to stay till 6 because there are sales. I need sunscreen. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Austin.
You're welcome, Jan.
Home sweet home.
Oh shoot, okay. Hopefully it's an easy fix. It might just be a loose wire.
Thank you, kind sir.
You're welcome.
Sign up to Gia's free newsletter linked below to get updates on all things high quality living, elegant outfit ideas, and monthly style mood boards. Here you will get early access to exclusive news and all her social media in one place without spending time on apps. Now back to the video.
Wishing you good health and happiness.
Wishing you good health and happiness. Wishing you good health and happiness.
Wishing you good health and happiness.
Wishing you good health and happiness.
Shana Tov, everybody.
From Airmarked.
Happy Rosh Hashanah. Let me see if this works. Oh, the mount works. I am here at the park. We're having a tashlich and throwing some bread into the lake to start off the new year, the Jewish New Year. literally right in front of. I went to my synagogue and it was great. It was beautiful. The service was fantastic. There were tons of people there. And I went to a friend's synagogue and I was supposed to meet him at the lake today with a group of this other synagogue. Meeting him over there at his synagogue was a surprise. So he wasn't there and I RSVP'd, but he said, oh, it was a last minute thing. I got invited for lunch. And I thought, oh, okay, have fun and I'll see you at the park. Now I'm at the park. I've never been to this park before. I'm just waiting for my friend to come. Hopefully I'm in the right spot. I don't know any of these people. I just like sat down with a bunch of people and with a couple really sweet families and they let me in. They have huge hearts. In my synagogue, I think it has a bit more people. Or I don't know if it has a bit more people, but there were a lot of people there. There were a lot of people guarding the front. There was even police in the front. It even said, we're checking bags. I wouldn't have to go to church and be on edge. I just went to worship. It's weird that churches are getting attacked. On that somber note, I see some really cute ducks. It's Jewish New Year, so you repent, you get rid of the old you. And you typically wear white, kind of like Brazilian New Year. You wish people a sweet year, prosperous year. That's why we have apples and honey. People will have apples and honey. It's so delicious. I really want to host a Rosh Hashanah, Seder, and Sukkot in the future at my house, or on my land, I should say, because it's supposed to be outside in a tent anyway. But for Rosh Hashanah, I don't know, I'm still figuring things out, but I definitely know I want to look at what I have to fix. Oh my goodness. But I definitely know that I want to host because I've been to some of the most beautiful Seders in Beverly Hills and all over West Hollywood. I want to replicate that, but in my way. There's not a big community here and I want them to feel like we have something special of our own. You guys already know I'm getting my outdoor hosting game together. I have some hosting things for my hall and I'm still waiting for some things from Williams-Sonoma because it ships all at different times. My guard cat. This is my new upstairs office. These are stars on the ceiling. They're not dirt, but they could use a good cleaning. The lady who lived here before had them. And these are the two rugs that we had. We put them away for now. I'm gonna purchase some larger rugs too for downstairs. I think I'm gonna do my halls in this room from now on, not red like that room. And I'm really loving greens. I've always loved greens and blues, but I'm also liking grays and silver a lot. I even got silver earrings. These are my gold ones. Yep. It is beautiful. Such a big
I bought something else online that I don't remember buying.
Thanks for bringing in the waste bin.
Yeah.
When I was dog. You guys are so big now. Do I focus on? Okay. Today is a bit of a self-care day. Just washed my face with this double cleanse because I still had some remnants of makeup on. There's only a little left. I'll put it on the places where I put makeup the most, not on my entire face, because if if I put it on my entire face, then it gets super dry, and this really sucks out all the debris and dirt and oils. I don't want all of them to go, just in a few places. So I will look especially crazy. While this sits, I am going to get my to-do list for everything I want to do today. I want to get some self-care things. I'm going to do a bunch of work. Need to go fill up my car, a bunch of errands, tidy up the house. I look really crazy right now. They're super birds. Did I leave them in too? I obviously left them in too long, but I don't know why. Was it supposed to be less time? That's weird. I used the same recipe as last time.